Hi, welcome to another English lesson. My name is Michael with ACE Japan, located in Takasaki, Guma. Okay, so today, before we start this lesson, I wanted to point something out in case somebody needs to use this. For me, I didn't know until recently that on these videos, if you notice, there is a mark, a white square that says CC. So that's closed caption. If you tap on the closed caption, everything I say will show up as writing, okay? It's really convenient for students who think that I talk too fast. If you want to pause the video and write down or check the words that you don't know, or if you just want to write everything out that I tell you, that's a good feature there in case you didn't know. And it works with all my my lecture type videos and some other videos on the internet as well. So if you didn't know, that's a good feature to do. CC, closed caption. Okay, let's get started today. So today's lesson is going to be how to use have plans and have a plan. I teach this a lot in the classroom, so a lot of my students kind of get confused because of the singular and the plural. Okay, but the singular and the plural, they give it a different meaning. Okay, I'll explain now. So have plans, this meaning is have something one or some things more than one to do. Okay, have something or some things to do. Okay, or another way you can say is have a schedule. Have a schedule. Okay, I have plans. Okay, have a plan equals have an idea or a solution to a problem. Okay, we use this a lot maybe when we're talking about work or when we're talking about fixing something in the house. Maybe your sofa leg is not even, so you say, I have a plan, and you get a book or a dictionary and you put under the table to make it, or under the chair to make it steady. Okay, so that's the difference. And like I said, it doesn't matter if it's only one. You still use S, and you don't use an A. You don't use a. Okay, and then this one you have an idea, or you can also say I have a plan. Usually we only have one plan at a time. Let's go into some details with this, okay? Okay, so if you are asked a question, usually it's like, for example, can you come to my party on Saturday? Can you come to my party on Saturday? Okay, then the answer might be, I'm sorry, but I have plans. Okay, I'm sorry, but I have plans. Okay. Okay, or another way, I'm sorry, but I already have plans. I already have plans. Okay, so both of these are very good. And like I said, even if it's just one, even if you're just going to the hairdresser or you're going to meet a friend for lunch, even if it's just one thing, we still use have plans. Okay, have plans. Okay. Also another one. What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? Okay, what are your plans for the weekend? Let's say I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Or nothing special. I'm just going to relax at home. Okay, so nothing special. I am just going to relax at home. Okay? Okay. So, what are your plans for the weekend? I don't know yet. Nothing special. I'm just going to relax at home. Okay? Okay, so let me ask you, what are your plans for the weekend? Okay, you tell me, what are your plans for the weekend? Okay? That sounds nice. And my plans are the same. So what are your plans for the weekend? I have to work. I have to work. So usually with work or cleaning the house or doing homework or things like that, we use have to. We use have to, like it's a duty, like something that you have to do. Okay? We wouldn't use must. Must and have to are a little bit different. I'll teach that later in another lesson. Okay? So we would just use I have to or I'm going to. I'm going to. Okay? Do you have any plans for summer? Do you have any plans for summer? Now, in this question, this is a noun. A noun, okay? So it's usually a noun or an adjective. This is a noun. Do you have any plans for summer? Okay. Then, or another way to ask the same question, do you have any summer plans? So now, So now, this is a noun. Yeah, that's a noun. Okay. Summer is your adjective. Summer plans. Okay? So you can say both. Do you have any plans for summer? Okay? Or, Do you have any summer plans? Okay, good. Okay, so those are the main things that I teach when I teach this lesson, and I'll go over a few other things as well. Okay. I'm planning to, or I'm planning on, both, okay? To do something. I'm planning to go camping this weekend. I'm planning on buying a new car. Okay? So this meaning of plan is a little bit different. This meaning is intend to do something. Intend to do something. Okay? So to intend to do something means it's not 100%. It's not 100%. It's more like 70 to 80%. About. So, but maybe you'll do. Probably you'll do this. We say I'm planning. I'm planning on buying a new car. I'm planning to go camping this weekend. Okay? We are planning to move to the States. Okay. We are planning to move to the States. Remember, we can be family. That's in another lesson too. So, okay, we are planning to move to the States. So the States being America. Okay, planning means that's our intention. That's our intention. Okay, that's our intention. That means that's what we really are planning to do. It's very 80 to 90% maybe. Okay, but it's not 100%. Okay, so that's one thing. And I said before, another meaning is for solutions. So maybe you might see the mayor has a plan to reduce crime. Reduce equals make less. Then crime is like criminal, like bad things like stealing money or killing somebody or breaking somebody's car or breaking into a house. That's crime. So the mayor would be the top government official of your city, your town. Okay, the mayor has a plan to reduce crime. Okay, then has a plan. So that meaning is, remember, an idea to a solution. Or an idea to a problem. An idea. Come on, let me change that a little bit. An idea to fix a problem. Okay, you can use fix or you can use solve. Either way is good. Okay, that's why I was mixed up what I was writing. Okay, so the mayor has a plan to reduce crime. Okay. Okay, also maybe in the movies you hear like rescue plan or maybe an escape plan or plan B, plan plan C, plan A. Okay, plan A, plan B, plan C, an escape plan, a rescue plan. So sometimes we use plan like that. It just means, like I said, this is a plan of how to do something. Okay, how to do something. Okay, so rescue means to save somebody. Escape means to get away from somebody or from prison or something. And then plan A, plan B, plan C would just be different ideas on how to solve a problem. Okay? Okay, well that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And as always, if you did, please hit like. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That really helps us. And leave a comment. So nobody's leaving comments, but I would love to hear from you. So even if it's just hi, or I'm over here in Mexico, or I'm in Japan, or I'm in Tokyo, let me know. Even if you're my students, say hello to me or something and let me know. Leave a comment. And if you'd like, share the video with your friends. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.